Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to safely jack up your vehicle. Before you begin, always ensure your car is on a flat, stable surface, like a concrete driveway or garage floor. Engage the parking brake firmly and put your transmission in park or first gear. Crucially, place wheel chocks behind the tires that will remain on the ground. Also, verify that your jack and jack stands are rated for your vehicle's weight, typically around 2 to 3 tons for a compact car. Next, you need to locate the correct jacking points on your vehicle. Always refer to your owner's manual for precise locations. Generally, you'll find reinforced pinch welds along the side skirts, often indicated by 2 small notches, about 6 inches from each tire. For lifting the entire front or rear, a sturdy central subframe crossmember can be used. Using incorrect points can cause significant damage to your vehicle's undercarriage. With your jack points identified, position your jack squarely underneath the chosen point. If using pinch welds, a rubber jack pad is highly recommended to prevent bending or damage. Begin to slowly raise the vehicle, carefully watching to ensure the jack stays straight and stable. Lift the car just enough so that the tire clears the ground and you have adequate space to slide your jack stands underneath the reinforced points. Never rush this step. Safety is paramount, so once the vehicle is lifted, immediately place jack stands under the reinforced jacking points. Slowly lower the vehicle until its entire weight rests securely on the jack stands, not the jack itself. Give the vehicle a gentle shake to confirm it is stable. When your work is complete, slightly raise the vehicle with the jack, remove the jack stands, and then slowly lower the vehicle completely to the ground. Always remove chocks last.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.